Hello students, welcome to Physical Science Digital Classes Mehbubabad. Myself Narendra Babu Kotla, PGD Chemistry TSMS Mehbubabad. In this session, we are going to discuss about pH scale. In 1907, Sorensen devised a scale known as pH scale. In 1907, Sorensen devised a scale on which the strength of acids as well as basic solutions could be represented by making use of the hydrogen ion concentration in them. A scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution is called pH scale. A scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution is called pH scale. In pH scale, in pH, the P stands for potenge. The P stands for potenge. In German, potenge is power. Letter H stands for hydrogen ion concentration. Letter H stands for hydrogen ion concentration. The pH of a solution is inversely proportional to the concentration of hydrogen ions in it. The pH of a solution is inversely proportional to the concentration of hydrogen ions in it. That means a solution having a high concentration of hydrogen ions has a low pH value. On the other hand, a solution having low concentration of hydrogen ions has a high pH value. That means solution having high concentration of hydrogen ions means more hydrogen ions are present, then its pH value is less. The solution having low concentration of hydrogen ions has a high pH value. High pH value. The strength of an acid or base is measured on a scale of numbers called the pH scale. What is pH scale? The strength of an acid or base is measured on a scale of numbers is called the pH scale. The pH scale has values from 0 to 14. The pH scale has values from 0 to 14. pH is a pure number. It has no units. Coming to the rules of pH. The neutral substances have pH of exactly 7. Neutral substances have a pH of exactly 7. For example, pH of pure water is 7. pH of pure water is 7. At the same time, sugar solution, sodium chloride solutions are also having the pH value 7. That means they are neutral substances or neutral solutions. The substance with pH 7 will have no effect on litmus. The substance with pH 7 will have no effect on litmus paper or litmus solution or any other common indicator like methyl orange or phenolphthalein indicators. The substance which is having pH 7 will have no effect on litmus or any other common indicator like methyl orange or the phenolphthalein indicator. Number 2. Acids. Acids have pH of less than 7. Acids or acidic solutions have pH of less than 7. Acid solutions in the sense they are having the pH value less than 7. For example, the solution with pH 4 means it is in acidic nature. If any one of the solution, if it exhibits the pH value 4, the 4 is actually less than 7, that's why it is a acid or acidic in nature. Note, more acidic a solution is, the lower will be its pH. For example, if the pH value of a solution is 1, then it is more acidic in nature. That means as the pH value is less, then its acidic strength is high. If pH value is 6.5, it is a weak acid. If pH is 1, 2 or 0, it is a strong acid. That means as the pH value is less, then its strength is high, inversely proportional. That's why pH value is less, strength is high. Okay, that means it is more acidic in nature. For example, a solution of pH is 1 much more acidic than another solution of pH 4. Means the solution of pH 1 will be a much more stronger acid than another acid having pH 4. Lower the pH, stronger the acid. As the pH value is low, then stronger the acid. All the solutions having pH less than 7 are acidic in nature, and hence they turn blue litmus to red. The solutions which are having less than 7 pH value, and those solutions can be able to turn the blue litmus to red. So they can also turn methyl orange indicator to red. Substances which are less than 7 in phenolphthalein indicators, they are colorless. Rule number 3, bases. Bases have a pH of more than 7. So bases have a pH of more than 7. Bases or basic solutions have a pH of more than 7. A solution having pH 11 will be basic in nature. So if any one of the solution having more than 7 pH value, they are having the basic nature. They are considered as bases. For example, if you take a base, its pH value is 11, means more than 7, that's why it is basic in nature. More basic a solution is, the higher will be its pH. As the pH value increases, its basic nature is also increases and basic strength is also increases. Example, a solution of pH 14 will be more basic than another solution of pH 10. If you take the two solutions, one solution pH is 14 and another solution pH is 10. Which solution is having more basic in the sense, as the pH is high here, then it is having the more basic nature. That means as the pH is high, more basic. Out of these 14 and 10 pH values solutions, the solution having 14 pH will be the more basic nature, will be having more basic nature. The higher the pH, stronger the base. You have to remember this. Higher the pH, stronger the base. All the substances having pH more than 7 are basic in nature, and hence they turn red litmus to blue. So substance which is having its a pH value more than 7, that can be able to turn the red litmus to blue. At the same time, these substances can also turn, or these substances can also exhibit a yellow color in methyl orange indicator and pink color in phenolphthalein indicator. Why? Because they are the basic substances having the basic nature. Coming to the pH scale, according to the pH rules, rule number 1, if any one of the substance having its pH value 7, it is neutral substance. Rule number 2, the substances which are having less than 7 pH, then they are acidic substances. The substances having less than the 7 pH value, they are acidic substances. Rule number 3, the substances which are having pH value more than the 7, they are basic substances. And coming to here, our pH scale is from 0 to 14, and from this 1 to 7 acids, 7 neutral, 7 to 14 bases, and out of these strong acids, in the sense the pH range is 1 to 3. pH 0 to 3, if it exhibits, they are strong acids. If the substances exhibits pH value ranging from above 3 to below 7, they are weak acids. If the substances exhibits pH value 7, they are neutral. If the substances exhibit more than 7 or up to 10, they are weak bases. Substances from more than 10 to 14, they are strong bases. This is very important. You have to remember this pH scale. If you remember this pH scale, then so possibility of getting a 4 marks question from this. pH values of some common substances. Concentrated HCl, pH value is 0. Dilute HCl, pH value is 1.0. Gastric juices in stomach, here also HCl, that is 1.4. Lemon juice, pH value is 2.5. Vinegar 4.0. Tomato juice 4.1. Coffee 5.0. Soft drinks pH 6.0. Milk pH 6.5. Up to here acids. And pure water pH is 7. Pure water pH is 7. Saliva before meals 7.4. Saliva after meal 5.8. Blood 7.4. Egg 7.8. Toothpaste 8.0. Baking soda solution 8.5. Washing soda solution 9.0. Milk of magnesia 10.5. Household ammonia 11.6. Dilute sodium hydroxide 13. Concentrated sodium hydroxide 14. These all are basic substances. Thank you for watching this video.